Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to field strip and clean an AR rifle. I was raised hunting and fishing and things like that, so I've learned over the years how to clean my rifle, how to keep my equipment clean. In law enforcement, it's very important. It's a tool, just like any other tool. You want it to function properly. You don't want to pull it out when you need it, pull the trigger and something not happen because you didn't clean it properly like you should. So that's what we're going to be going over today, okay? First and foremost, we want to make sure there's no live ammo in your work area, okay? As you can see on my rifle, I've already pulled out the magazine, bolt's already been cleared, there's absolutely no live ammo, okay? So, stress that first and foremost, okay? Alright, what we're going to do is there's two pins, front pin and lower pin, the takedown pins. So, over here on the left side of the rifle, kind of press them just a little bit, get them flush. It allows you to grab them over here on the right side, pull them out. The pins stay into the lower. You can set that aside, okay? Then you have just your upper. All right. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the charging handle, pull it out, and it's gonna pull your bolt carrier group out also. Then you can set your upper aside. So, bolt carrier group and your charging handle right there. This is the order we're gonna be taking this apart in, okay? So, get your bolt carrier group right here, which is the whole assembly. We're going to start with number one right here, which is going to be the firing pin, retaining pin. Get it out, which will allow the firing pin, which is number two. It falls out the backside. Number three is going to be this cam pin, which sometimes can give you problems. Just have to rotate it a little bit to get it out of there. I don't have any nails neither. So get number three out, and then you're going to take, which is number 7 on here, which is going to be the extractor and the bolt. So get all that taken apart. This number 6, number 5, that's all just part of the main group. You really don't have to take any of that apart. So as far as cleaning your parts and stuff in here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to focus right here on the front part of the extractor and the bolt, because this is where most of the soot's going to push. You've got these gas rings right here, so most of the gas pressure and the soot's going to be on the front side of this, okay? So what you can do is you can spray everything down with parts cleaner, wipe it all down real good. If it's heavy buildup, you can use a soft bristle brush, okay? So the actual assembly is going to be in the reverse order. So we'll take our main bolt carrier here. We're going to put the extractor, the bolt and the extractor in. Put our pin in, or the cam pin. Put our firing pin in the backside. And then we're going to put the firing pin retaining pin back in. Alright, so the reverse is the exact same. The assembly is going to be the exact same as the reverse of the taking it out. So you're going to slide your charging handle in there. You're going to slide your bolt carrier group into the rifle. I'm going to get my cam pin aligned. All right, bolt carrier group, charging handle's installed now. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put the upper receiver and the lower receiver back together. And then slide both the pins. You just kind of have to work the pins in, both the pins together, and then that's going to be it. As far as my citations, I cited Guns and Ammo on a few of the techniques that they used, and also optics planets on some of the techniques that they used.